National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County in northwest Illinois, southeastern Joe Daviess County in northwest Illinois, southwestern Stevenson County in northwest Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles an hour and ping-pong ball-size hail. These storms were located approximately along a line extending from Hanover to Savannah to Agafe, along a line extending from 15 miles northwest of Mount Carroll to 9 miles west of Mount Carroll to 8 miles west of Mount Carroll to 10 miles southwest of Mount Carroll, and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Massbach, Fairhaven, Chadwick, Milledgeville, Lanark, Pool City, and Shannon. This is a very dangerous storm capable of blowing down trees and power poles. Move indoors to a substantial shelter such as a basement or interior room or hallway.